Hey everyone, welcome to Technology Trends, your one-stop hub for the latest in mid-range marvels. Before we dive into the Galaxy A57's reveal, hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss our future coverage. Samsung has officially dropped the trailer for the Galaxy A57, and it's loaded with upgrades, new processor, massive battery, better camera, and AI features. Let's unpack everything. Samsung is targeting a March 2026 launch for the A57. Price? Think around $450 to $500, keeping it solidly within the mid-range segment. Great value for spec lovers. The A57 features a stunning 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, smooth visuals and vibrant colors perfect for scrolling or binge watching. Inside is Samsung's new Exynos 1680 chipset, built on advanced architecture with an AMD-based Xclipse GPU. That means noticeable speed boosts over the A56, especially in gaming and everyday tasks. No lag, no fuss. Ear camera team up. A 50-megapixels main sensor with OIS, plus ultra-wide and macro lenses, ideal for casual snaps and scenic shots. Asterisk. Front-facing? A crisp 12-megapixel selfie camera with 4K video recording, perfect for your next vlog or video call. Powering it all is a 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging, enough juice to last all day, and refill quickly. Running Android 15 with One UI 7, the A57 brings Samsung's Galaxy AI features, like circle-to-search and live editing tools, making life smarter and snaps sharper. The Galaxy A57 is shaping up to be a strong mid-range contender. Exynos 1680 performance, 120Hz AMOLED, big battery, and AI enhancements. What feature are you most excited about? The chipset, display, or fast charging? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like, share with your friends hunting value, and subscribe for full hands-on reviews when it launches.